In one of my recent videos, 14 awesome street foods in Paris in 2023, link on the top right, I told you about the best croissants in Paris. In 2023, you can find them at the Boulangerie Carton, just 50 meters from Gare du Nord. There are many other excellent pastries, or viennoiserie as we call them in France. So today, we're having a father-daughter stroll in Le Marais to find and taste 5 other great viennoiseries at the best bakeries or pastry shops. Will you join us on this journey? A chouquette is a small, round, hollow choux pastry covered with pearl sugar. Unlike the éclairs, which are also made with choux pastry, chouquettes are bite-sized and the hollow inside is not filled. We start our stroll at metro station Saint-Paul on line 1, and our first stop is at the Pastries Yann Couvreur on the famous Rue des Rosiers. Yann Couvreur is a renowned pastry chef in Paris, and I have to admit it, this showcase is making my mouth water. These little pastries look like chouquettes, but in fact, they are small choux à la crème filled with delightful custard cream. Here are the chouquettes. At Yann Couvreur, they are made with orange blossom water. Yummy. Now let's try another delicious pastry, a chausson aux pommes. A chausson aux pommes is laminated dough filled with apple puree. Next on our list, still in Le Marais, the Boulangerie Sain. They're known for their excellent chausson aux pommes. The Boulangerie Sain is a simple neighborhood bakery, but its chausson aux pommes recipe is delicious. Rather than making an apple puree, they cut the apples into quarters, caramelize them, and put them whole in the dough. The dough is also covered with caramel, which makes the chausson delicious but sticks a lot to the teeth. Our next viennoiserie is a pain au raisin. It's a fluffy pastry filled with raisins and custard cream. Please pardon my French, but our next bakery is the French Bastards, and these bastards are famous for their pain au raisin.
C'est hyper bon.
It's time to go try another viennoiserie. A Kouign is a sweet cake from Brittany, made with bread dough and containing layers of butter and caramelized sugar. The Bo&Mie bakery, at the extreme north of the Marais neighborhood, is famous for its viennoiserie and above all its Kouign. In 2011, the New York Times described the Kouign as the fattiest pastry in all of Europe. But you have to give it a try, it's absolutely delicious. It's already time for us to discover our last pastry today. Well, discover. Not really. I'm sure you already know pain au chocolat. A pain au chocolat, literally bread with chocolate, is a viennoiserie consisting of a cuboid-shaped piece of yeast-leavened puff pastry with 1 or 2 pieces of dark chocolate in the center. We're going to leave the Marais a little bit to go north to the Mamiche Boulangerie de Quartier, which means neighborhood bakery. Valrhona is one of the most famous premium chocolate manufacturers in France. Normally, Mamiche makes some of the best pain au chocolat in Paris. I admit that there, this one was a little stale. It is better to go buy some in the morning when they are ultra fresh. I hope you enjoyed following us, Charlotte and myself, to discover the delicious pastries of Paris. If so, a little like, that would make me really happy. Or even better, please consider subscribing to Paris Top Tips.